Welcome to Mikey Makes Eats, into the wondrous powders before you that you should show much interest in and not any concern. This is, of course, red potato flour, an excellent ingredient for the most marvelous maestros of starches. You may wish to make red potato flour if you have a dehydrator, spice grinder, or food mill. Mandolin. Time. 30 minutes a day for a week. Time. And a desire to help those potatoes lose 80% of their excess weight. The process has begun once you have arranged a knife, red potato, and mandolin neatly on your cutting board, to which decisions on peeling are made to gain great earthy flavors in the way that it's favored. Proceed to cut the potato into 2, and then 3, 4 slices that someone trying to complete a YouTube video will have stopped counting. Wet and starchy slices descend upon your dehydrator trays in an organized display of well-choreographed motions that impresses. Protecting potato personal space is important to the process, for this ensures maximum dehydration will be duly delivered. Some hours later, the world's most unmarketable potato chips emerge to lose their chance at becoming calorically questionable snacks and become dust in a spice grinder. Your instinct tells you to let the dust settle, strangely, and so you do find 10 minutes to enjoy the finer things in life, such as the peculiarity of overused phrases and rhyming phrases. Spending many weeks living, breathing, and believing potatoes, you complete your little project and now are at a crossroads, for so many opportunities have opened up to you. Do you make red potato tortillas? Red potato noodles? All will be answered soon, with more resounding recipes from Mikey Makes Eats. Be glad you made these eats.